What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to BrokennSmoken. Old scrap hauler here. It's doing pretty good. Ain't had no major issues out of it since we fixed on it. Been hauling a couple loads of scrap here and there. You know, scooting right on along. Kids done been beating on it. Just having a merry old way. But there's one thing we do have to work on, is on that right there, that front end. I just can't live with it. As you can tell, this in here is kicked in toward the top. And this side's kicked in toward the top. I don't know who's been messing with it and jacking with it, but I can tell you one thing I ain't gonna do. I ain't giving $100 and something for a front end alignment from some cross-eyed crackhead at the local tire shop. Nope. So that's what I got in that box right there. Fresh Amazon package. It's got all the tools we should need to get this front end lined back up. Or close enough for what we do anyways. Y'all want to check it out? Are y'all chomping at the bits wondering what I got in here? Man, it's obvious. It's quite a bit to be such a big box. You get down in here, but that's right. This right here is pretty much the only thing you need to get it good enough. All right. I had this thing for a long time for a tube bender that I built, and it works flawlessly. So we're gonna give it a go to get our front end alignment probably a lot better than that cross-eyed crackhead I was talking about. Stay tuned. Welcome to BrokennSmoken. Brakes look good. Rotor. I guess we do get some tools gathered up. Looks like a big one. My wrench is at. One thing I done figured out about these here Dodges is it could be this one or it could be this one. 50-50 shot. Just depends if it was made here that day or over yonder the next. I'm gonna pretend that it's a 15/16 because it fits in there pretty good. So the way I'm going to go about this, well, obviously we got to put this on a level surface, 0. Then we're going to see what it says, which I ain't getting into the caster, camber, angles, toes. There's other stuff for that. But I think I'm going to have it at probably 2 degrees and see what that looks like. Oh my goodness. Sasquatch in distress. Mercy. Good night. We may not be doing an alignment. Let's go check the other side. This 89.5 might just be all right. Help me. Sasquatch in distress. This thing is tighter than Rosie O'Donnell's grip on a Twinkie. It ain't wanting to come off her. You know what I said about that cross-eyed crackhead? I'm giving him a call tomorrow. Y'all have a good one.